Hey guys, this is Picket Fluffagus here, and so I recently heard that PewDiePie had just gotten 50 million subscribers, and I was wondering about that though, because so apparently YouTube gave him the Ruby play button, and so yeah, my thoughts on that is, it's a pretty cool thing. Let me tell you that. It sounds like it would be a good thing to earn from 50 million subscribers. And well, yeah. So I'm not sure though, because it didn't really look like a play button to me, because it's different from the other play button awards. Like, let me search this up right here for just a second. Like the diamond play button, like that. So, like, excuse me, sorry about that. Computer's lagging. So, that is what I mean. Like, that is the diamond play button. But then, when you go to the Ruby, it looks like, that, like right there. Because it doesn't look like the normal play button, like right around here. It looks like this. And I like the new change because, I think it would be pretty cool. So, yeah, it'd be a pretty cool thing to have. And I'm proud of him for, getting that many, because he is my favorite YouTuber of all time. Yeah. So, yeah, it's pretty neat, but, like, I gotta say, though, because it's pretty crazy. Okay. Well, those were my thoughts on what I said. So, be sure to check out my other videos that I have done, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, guys. And I will see you guys next time.